This is one of my dollar store must-haves. When I go to the dollar store, I must get one of these paper packs because it has great backing paper in there. It's pink paper I'm going to use. So a couple months back, I'm at the dollar store and I look underneath the display and there's a box of these beautiful papers. And I thought to myself, for $1, I'll try it. So when I opened it up, to my surprise, there were some beautiful papers. There were decorative papers. The weight was wonderful. So I chose these strips for the binding for a journal that I'm making. It's a neutral journal and it's made from sketchbook paper. It's a craft paper. It's nice, heavy paper. So I took my Yoo-hoo stick out and pasted it down. First, I actually folded the paper so I could find the center because I wanted the binding to be centered. And it's a little bit shy of the on the top and the bottom, so you want to make sure that you have some kind of measurement for it. Eyeball it and you should be fine. And I use my favorite dollar store tool to make sure the binding stuck down to the paper. And then I let it dry. And this is how it turned out. And then I started compiling my signature. So next I'll show you how I picked out the signature paper. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. This is Adrienne from Imprint Press. Have a great day.